And the race is on. Kit Kat Coo from the outside is Run the Dance. That's Julian. Down on the inside is Noti Tatat. Hoy! Tama na ang Best of Biscuit is the early trailer. Kit Kat Coo by a length and a half, followed by Run the Dance. That's Julian racing third by Daryl by some 2 lengths. Noti Tatat is racing fourth by another 2 lengths. Alongside is Hoy! Tama na ang Best of Biscuit. Passing the half-mile post, Run the Dance by a nose, Kit Kat Coo Danori inside. Inside the last 600, Run the Dance this time by a neck, Kit Kat Coo moving up by the rail. Kit Kat Coo by a long nose on the outside is Run the Dance fighting out for the lead. As they race the last 400, Kit Kat Coo by ahead, Run the Dance on the outside. As they race the last 200, Kit Kat Coo this time by a length and a half, Run the Dance, Idas Julian Best of Biscuit, and on the outside, Noti Tatat Hoy, tama na. And nearing the finish line, Kit Kat Coo by a length and a half, and finally, Kit Kat Coo, Run the Dance, Best of Biscuit, Idas Julian's Noti Tatat. Hey! Uy! Tama na. Comes last.